一個曾經參加冬季奧運嘅前加拿大單板滑雪運動員，因為販毒同策劃謀殺等多項重罪，被美國聯邦調查局列入10大通緝犯名單。
曾經喺2002年鹽湖城冬季奧運會代表加拿大出戰單板滑雪項目嘅韋丁，從2015年起成為一名逃犯。
Whiting traded snow for another kind of powder, giving up world-class athletic pursuits for cocaine trafficking and involvement in murder.
聯邦調查局話，韋丁利用加州洛杉磯作為大規模走私可卡因同芬太尼嘅主要樞紐，分銷到全美各地以及流入加拿大，獲得巨額利益。韋丁亦都涉及加拿大多宗謀殺案。
What does it take to get someone on the FBI's 10 most wanted fugitives list?
You have two reasons why this person would be on the FBI's top 10 most wanted list: terrorism, drug trafficking, and really there's probably some information behind there that leads me to believe that they're getting close.
販毒集團被定性為恐怖組織，有助聯邦政府加強打擊，例如增加通緝犯嘅懸紅。
Whiting, who is wealthy, is dangerous and has connections in very high places.
韋丁目前可能藏匿喺墨西哥或者獲惡名昭彰嘅石那羅亞販毒集團保護。